Welcome back, guys. So I am doing the last video of my fitness journey. I stopped doing them because honestly I didn't think you guys were into them. That was the reason why I stopped. That's how much views matter. You know, the views weren't really great on the videos and the engagement was just okay, so I didn't think you guys wanted them. But in the last few makeup tutorials, I've been getting so many comments from people asking, where's the fitness journey? Where's the fitness journey? So sometimes I just have no idea what you guys want. But I decided that I'm going to do a final video of my fitness journey, and maybe I'll just touch base with you guys within makeup tutorials to let you know how I'm doing. The main thing I want to tell you guys in this video is that this journey doesn't end here. This is a lifestyle shift for me. I'm going to show you guys my progress. Let us start with day one of my fitness journey, which was almost probably about 2 months ago. I think the most telling thing is the before and after pictures, way more than the scale. The scale I've gone down, you guys are going to see the numbers actually pretty amazing, but for me it's the before and after pictures. I find them to be the most drastic. So let's do that and then we'll talk. First up, let's do the scale. Let's get it out of the way. Let me remind you guys where I was when I first started this fitness journey. Okay, there it is. 126.8 is the starting weight. Moment of truth. Oh, sheesh, I almost fell off. Oh my goodness. Okay, what are we at here? 118.8. That's a big number shift. That's a big difference, you guys, especially like on my frame. I'm 5'3", so I'm not very tall, and losing that much weight it really does make a difference. My weight is down. I can feel it. I feel it every day in my clothes. I feel it in just the way that I sit, and I'm just so much more comfortable. My appetite is just like the things that I crave and like what I'm eating is just so much cleaner overall. Don't get me wrong, I still love my fries, I still love my dessert, and I don't hold back, but it's more often I eat like that when I'm out with friends or if I'm in a social environment. But the most important thing is when I'm at home by myself most of the week, which is usually like 5 days out of the week, I eat really clean. And then when I'm out on the weekends with my friends, or if I'm going out during the week for dinner with someone, then I'm okay to splurge and like eat something, like eat rice or eat, I don't know, pasta, whatever, pizza, whatever, right? But when I do eat that stuff, I don't eat like the way I used to, where I just like gorge and I just like I'm just like, oh, I'm eating it, so I might as well eat a ton of it. No, I don't eat like that anymore. Now it's like, oh, I'm gonna eat some of this, but I'm not gonna go crazy, because I'm just gonna like fulfill that like satisfying need to eat it, but I don't want to feel gross after. So that's kind of where my eating's at. That's where my weight is at. Now let's look at the before and after pictures, and let's look at the progress. Okay, so I'm seeing a difference everywhere here, you guys. I definitely see that the sides of my stomach have slimmed down a lot. Even if you look at the top of my thighs aren't touching anymore. So my thighs have slimmed down a lot. You could see even a lot more definition in my abs. From this angle, you can definitely see the difference in my stomach. Like my stomach is just a little bit thinner. It's not sticking out as much. Even in my back here is dramatically different. There is visibly way less body fat. There is less fat around my mid back, around my shoulders. I could definitely tell my arms are thinner. And again, look at my thighs, you guys. My thighs are so much thinner. They're not touching, which is so nice. And then even the sides of my waist, like not as bumpy, whereas in the before picture, you could see like there's a little bit of bumpiness, whereas in the after picture, everything just looks smoother and leaner. My waist definitely looks so much smaller. And here you guys can definitely tell my stomach looks a lot flatter. That's a huge difference. This is why taking before and after pictures is so important, because sometimes you just don't notice these little differences. Like, it's really hard to tell when you're just looking at yourself in the mirror. It's kind of impossible. But I am like kind of amazed looking at these pictures. I can tell that I look way more toned, way more lean, way more muscular. Like, I have muscle on my body, which is amazing, and I feel like I can just keep building and building on it. And I know that I'm like able to gain a lot more muscle now. Not that I'm like super muscular, but I'm actually able to gain muscle because I eat so much protein. I eat protein for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, way more protein than I've ever had before. So that's making a big difference. But overall, I'm super happy with the progress that I made. And again, like I told you guys, this doesn't end here. This is just going to be ongoing. And my goal is just to continue to get fit. You know, like, I love being able to put muscle on. I think like I would love to start really building muscle, maybe in my booty, more in my abs, just to lean out my arms and just to kind of define my shape a little bit more. And then just to continue eating lean overall, to eat really clean, so then when I do go out and I'm with my friends and I'm being social, I can eat and not feel worried or guilty or feel gross or feel bad about it, which is how I used to feel all the time. I think that's everything. I feel really good going into the new year like this, because a lot of times people like take the holidays as an excuse to just eat everything in sight and gain weight and do all that. But I'm not going into the new year thinking, oh my God, I have to start to go to the gym January 1st. No, I'm just continuing on. So that feels really great. You guys saw exactly what I did. I showed you every single thing I was doing. I didn't hide anything. There's no secrets. I was eating clean and I worked out on a regular basis. And you guys saw what I ate and you guys saw the workouts that I did. So it's that simple. And I hate saying it's that simple because everyone's body is different. So I'll actually take that back. But I'm going to say this instead. There's no secret formula. It's the old tried and true formula of eat right, eat healthy, and work out. That's all it is. There's no other magic formula that's going to help you do it faster or quicker or easier. It's just like anything else. You just have to put in effort. Just like anything else you're putting in effort and want to get good at. So that's pretty much it, guys. I loved sharing this with you. You know, I wanted to really do it all month long, but I was also noticing a lot of people are unsubscribing, and my channel was really like not doing well when I was posting those videos. So it's a hard balance figuring out what you guys want, but what also performs well, and making sure that I'm giving my audience what they actually came to watch, which is, I know, is makeup. But I wanted to end this year with this fitness journey video just to hopefully inspire you guys. And if you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. I'll try my best to answer all of them. And just remember that I'm such a normal, average person. If I can do it, you can do it, you guys. There's nothing special about what I did. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and add me on Instagram, Eman. I hope you guys are having a great holidays and a happy new year to all of you. I love you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.